Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and in this video we'll talk about everything you need to know about Ethereum, including all the fundamental things you need to know, but also a more technical update, taking a look at what's happening right now, some important levels, and what's most likely to happen next, in my opinion at least. So first of all, like recently I made the decision to start. Usually I covered Bitcoin and Ethereum every day, and now I do them every other day. So I cover Bitcoin on Monday, and then Ethereum on Tuesday, and then Bitcoin on Wednesday, and then so forth. Today I wanted to cover both again, though, because I saw that especially Ethereum, especially this morning. Oh, excuse me, I'm grabbing the wrong chart. I wanted to grab another chart here. Especially Ethereum was very bullish, so I thought, yeah, why not? I used to do them both. I think there's a lot of value. I know a lot of my like my best fans actually watch these updates. They don't get the most views, but I think they're very valuable. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a sore throat. The main reason for this for this bullish momentum we've had, and that's also why I grabbed the other chart, is because we have had some more recovery of the bearish fundamentals we had, first of all. Second of all, also some better economic fundamentals. The economic fundamentals were already, as most of you know, were already pretty decent. At least the dollar index was dropping a lot, as you can see, which would actually send Ethereum all the way up to 1800 if the entire FTX drama didn't happen. I'm fairly certain about that. But excuse me, I'm a little bit sick. But the thing is that right now, what happened yesterday is that there were FOMC meeting minutes. All right, so monetary policy in the US always makes the market move a lot, and there I didn't actually check it out. But there they probably said something, and I cannot show you either, not sure why. Probably said something about the inflation rate, which was lower than expected last time around, which is bullish for crypto, and something in relation to the interest rates. If the inflation rate starts dropping, they need to increase the interest rate a little bit less too, otherwise you get economic collapse. Well, not collapse, but economic decline you get, because the interest rates are still very high, and people, and the inflation is dying down, which means people are spending less, and what you try to do with interest rates is get people to spend less. So if they are still very high when people already are spending less, it's bad for the economy. So that's why we were dropping. That's also why we were bullish with crypto. But right now the thing is that we had quite some significant bullish breakouts with Ethereum, and it's the question if we can hold these or not. And that's where kind of the technicals come in, I think, at least, because we have some bullish fundamentals, and I think they can even drag us up even higher, especially in the next weeks. But what does that mean on the short term? On the short term, that means that we have broken above this level here between 1195 and 1200, which is the absolute lower bound of this huge key area. Now the thing is that if we actually want to see some more recovery, for example up to 1300 and 1290, I think that's possible, but we need to stay on top of 1195. All right, so we need to stay here and get up also towards 1250, 1240. If we do that, then I think we'll consolidate down here a little bit more, but then I do think we would get up to like 1290 and 1300 pretty soon. So end of the week, maybe beginning of next week. But right now it's hard to say, because even though I'm a pretty optimistic person, so I think this is the most likely scenario at this point of time. I do think so. But I must also tell you that if we're not able to hold 1195, and if we drop down below that and drop down to 1160 and 1175, I do think that would hold. But then you have that resistance level at 1200 again, and it's going to be tough. We will be able to get up to like 1240 and 1250, but it's going to be tough to get up to 1300, which is recovery we would like to see. But it's just waiting now if we can actually hold 1195 and 1200 or not. So it's waiting for that. But for now, that's my take on Ethereum this morning. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.